Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about the colors of Figma software. So if you want to colorize any shapes, then you have to firstly take a shapes like this. I am just draw the square shapes, and here you see the fill options. From here you can change the color of these shapes. Like if you just click here, then here you see a color palette, and here you see this is recent color which you used recently. Like I am recently used these colors, that's why this is here. And here you see you can just click here by to change the color. So this is the changing changing ways of color. So if you want to change the color, then you can also change the color by this ways, just here. And this is the opacity palette. You can reduce the opacity of this color. Like if we just here, this is the reducing system, or you can give the value like right now 100%, and if you give it 50%, then it changes. And here you see the opacity changes. And here you see some other options like HSB means H equal to hue, S saturation, B brightness. So H is the color. Like if you give it 10, here you see 100, that is orange color. And this is saturations, like how hardness, and this color right now is full color. And if you give it 20, then this is non-full color. And if you want to 80, then this is orange color but not bright. And here you see the brightness or darkness. If you just give it 10, this is dark, but if you give it 100, then this is bright. So this is how you can change the color. And also you can use code for changes the color, like hex. If you have any code, then you can just put it here or changes the color. Like if you give 6F, then it will white. This is white color, hex code 6F. So you can also change color by these ways, like RGB color. R means red, G means green, B means blue. So if you just give 100, then it will look like this. 255 is the highest number of RGB, that's why it is 255. Also you can pick color from any other object. Like if this color is red, and if you want to give this exactly this color into these shapes, then you have to click these shapes, and after that you have to click here. And here you see a eyedropper button, you have to click here. And after that, if you click here, then this color will enable here, or these shapes into these shapes. And if you want to this color in these shapes, then you have to just one click here. And here you see exactly this color enabled in these shapes. And here you see other options like darken, multiply color bar and others. So you have to just try this out for checking the change of these shapes color. And you can also, this is solid color, but if you want to give two or more color in individual shapes, then you have to click here linear. You have to click linear, and after that you have to click here. Like this is right now blue, and if you want to give another blue in these shapes or another color in this shape, then you have to click here. And here you see this is actually zero opacity, that's why it doesn't look properly. So I'm just give it 100, and here you see right now red is properly see. So if you want to change it, then just click here, and here you see that other colors. This is how you can change the color. If you want to add more color in these shapes, then you have to click here. Here you see other options. If you want to delete this, then you have to just click here and press delete, and here you see that parameter or that handle will be deleted. So this way you can add linear color in a particular shapes. Also you can add handle from here. Okay, also you can change the directions of this color, like if you change from right to left, so you can change the direction by this way. Just to drag this parameter or drag this handle. And if you want to radial this, then you have to click radial, and here you see from center of this shapes, the color is changes. So this means radial color style. If you want to angular, then you have to click angular, and here you see it looks angular. You can also add handle in this color, so you have to click here and you have to change it from here. This is from this way you can change it, and here you see the diamond color style. You can change it, and you can also add the handle from just click here, or any area of this line. And you can also add image in these shapes by just click here, and here you see the choose image, and after that you have to choose an image from your desktop. So if you choose this image, then just click here, select this image, and after that just open, and here you see your image is implemented. And actually this is out of color topic, that's why I don't go deep. So if you want to change the color, then you have to select that shape, and after that you have to click here, and here you see you can change your color. And you can also give your color code in this area. Just type your color code, like if you type 6F, then you can then it will be white. After type the color code, just hit enter like this. This is white. And if you want to reduce the opacity, you can just decrease it. Just here, this is 40% opacity of white shape. I'm just increasing it 100. So this is how you can change the color in Figma software. So that's all my today's video. If you have any feedback, then please let me know, so that I can improve my future video. So thank you very much for your time.